Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to erase using Apple Pencil. To quickly switch to the eraser tool, simply double-tap the side of your Apple Pencil. Once activated, use the tip of your pencil to rub out any mistakes directly on your iPad screen. It's incredibly intuitive. When you're finished erasing, just double-tap the pencil again, and it will seamlessly switch back to your previous drawing or writing tool, allowing you to continue your work without interruption. Many creative applications offer various eraser types to suit your needs. You'll often find options like a pixel eraser, which removes only the specific parts of a stroke you touch, giving you fine control. Alternatively, an object or stroke eraser can delete an entire line or shape with just a single tap, which is perfect for quickly clearing larger elements. Understanding these different types helps you choose the most efficient method for your task. Achieving the perfect erase often means adjusting your eraser size. Most drawing applications provide a way to do this, usually through a slider or specific size options located in the app's toolbar once the eraser tool is selected. A larger eraser is ideal for quickly clearing broad areas, while a smaller, more precise eraser allows you to meticulously refine details without affecting surrounding elements. Experiment with different sizes to find what works best for your current project. For a smooth erasing experience, ensure your Apple Pencil is fully charged and correctly paired with your iPad. If you encounter any issues, check your specific app settings, as some allow for custom Apple Pencil gestures or offer unique erasing functionalities. Practicing the double tap gesture will make it second nature, significantly speeding up your workflow. With these tips, you'll master erasing with your Apple Pencil in no time, enhancing your digital creativity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.